is actually one of the reasons for memory impairment, and it also can contribute to falls. A lack of sensory input, so visual impairment or the hearing impairment, will create more of a risk for dementia, developing memory problems. Your brain needs that constant stimulation and that input that we get all the time, just without even knowing it. It sort of keeps us cognitively sharp. And so we find that if we can fix some of the hearing impairment or vision impairment, that patients do a lot better in terms of falls and memory.
So an example of memory loss that was treatable, and there are a number of treatable causes of memory loss, was a patient who came to us, lawyer, had a heavy practice, was at 69, still practicing, and he was noticing, and everybody around him was noticing he wasn't doing so well. Came in, we did the St. Louis University mental status exam, and he scored in the dementia range. His wife had come in with him, so I turned to her and I said, does he have problems breathing at night? And she said, oh, he stops breathing all the time at night. So I said, oh, okay, this is just easy. We sent him for a sleep test. We got him the machine, the CPAP. He wore it. 6 months later, he came back, and in fact, his memory was now perfect. That's an example of one totally treatable condition. There are other treatable conditions, hypothyroidism, for instance, B12 deficiency. People who are depressed, simple things that we can work on and reverse the memory loss. In addition to that, there's now good data based on the FINGER study, which is the Finnish geriatric study, showing that if you have a Mediterranean diet, eat lots of extra virgin olive oil. It's supposed to be 1 liter a week, and I don't know any American who can do 1 liter a week. We have to be Spaniards or Italians or Greeks to do that. In addition to that, do exercise at least 3 times a week, and do something for mental stimulation, whether that's Sudoku, playing computerized games, and then making sure you still socialize. The problem is, as we start to have memory problems, we tend to withdraw, and withdrawal is the worst thing you can do.